This beautiful large carpet arrived with coal burn damage, affecting multiple areas of the pile. Traditional herbal wash reveals the carpet's true natural colors. Every coal-burnt pile is carefully removed with precision. Silk and matching fibers are hand-dyed to achieve a seamless color match. Then begins the true artistry. Guided by generations of craftsmanship, our artisans recreate every missing knot entirely by hand, never by machine. With patience, precision, and perfection, each knot restores the original pattern, preserving the carpet's heritage for generations to come. With the hand knotting complete, every restored area is carefully pile cut, sculpted, and hand finished with exceptional precision, allowing each repaired section to blend naturally with the original design. True carpet restoration cannot be rushed. It is an art shaped by generations of craftsmanship, years of experience, and an uncompromising eye for detail. Every knot, every cut, and every finishing touch reflects the patience and dedication of our artisans. No shortcuts, no machines, only skilled hands preserving the character, beauty, and integrity of the carpet. The goal is never to make the restoration visible. It is to make the damage disappear while honoring the original craftsmanship. Now witness the transformation. From extensive coal burn damage to a beautifully restored work of art. Thank you for watching. Royal Carpet Restorations, preserving craftsmanship, restoring heritage,